Good morning everyone, this is RVS Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. The topic is LG Polymers # my view of materials. So here let us know briefly about the history of LG Polymers. It was started in 1961 by Hindustan Polymers. Later on the name came with an advancement to the LG Polymers. So what is meant by polymer? So firstly let us know about the definition of a polymer. So we are here, definition of a polymer. So whenever the end products of a plastic are produced by processing of fuels, like end products of any plastic can be plastic resin or any fuels like petroleum, gaseous, we call them as polymers. So here it is used as a plastic resin. Then you can ask me, what is a resin? Resin is like organic compound which can be converted into a polymer. It is a substitute of plastic, what I can say. Here in LG Polymers, styrene is used as a resin which is acidic in nature. Okay, for a styrene, the crystal structure is here, very simpler in crystal structure. The process of making of this, so in general everything will be in a solid state. It will be converted into liquid state and then again to the solid state for the end products with the addition of some catalysts and requirement based upon that. But here when the instant had occurred, the liquid state is 37.8 degrees, but it was converted into gaseous state. It may be around 10 degrees or 25 above it is converted, because up to 27 degrees it is stated as a liquid state to some extent. So it was converted into gaseous state, and the glass state means where the transition state of this particular styrene is 103 degrees centigrade. So what was the process of making? Through different process, these resins can be transformed in order to provide a specific need. Basically hydrocarbons are produced by cracking process, means breaking the large amount of crystalline structure. This is here is a large crystalline structure. Crystalline is a simpler structure which is going to have an end basis. Hydrocarbons are divided into simpler and small crystal structures. Okay, because of that gaseous state, it resulted in release of unhydrogenous toxic gases. These can be of H226, flammable in liquid. So you can see some of the gases here, H226, H2 suffix 2, or H2 means physical hazardous. Whenever these gases are leaked, it will be creates in physical hazardous. H315 causes skin irritation. 319 causes damage to eye. So here let me tell you a brief, like H2 physical hazardous, H3 health hazardous, H4 environmental hazardous. So whenever if you are going to react with an acid, one need to do is make it react with a base or to neutral liquid. So in general, whenever someone is faced an acid, it should be neutralized. Not to neutralize if you don't know what is a base to particular drug. Here it is a styrene. If we don't know that, then we can use water to some amount of neutralization. As water is a neutral, it can be react with a base and also with acid. In the same way, in order to reduce skin irritation or eye irritation, we can use soap as one of the substance. So whenever if the people that is faced with this effect, if they are facing any respiratory problems or breathing problem, they can be placed in a ventilators and they can be provided with an oxygen. That was the process that is taken place there. People are kept in ventilators because they are unable to breathe the air. So that's why they are kept in ventilators. Skin irritations, so mostly they doesn't have a flammable liquid, H226. Physical hazardous and environmental hazardous is there, H4, but it is doesn't create any leaks there. Only health hazardous like H315, 319, 332, 316, 372. But most of them are like gaseous, skin irritations and eye damages. Depending upon the dosage that you have used styrene, it will result in that. So whenever people are going to react with a acid, even if in house if you have faced any problems like little burning or using any household appliances, if you got any electrical burns, then you can use base as one of the substance. So bases are neutral, like water can be used, or it is with salt water. Basically we use a salt water in order to avoid that bubbling of that particular area. Neutralization can be done by a base or a drug, as if for household burns we give Bernol, right? So for an eye and itching, we can use an elements like emollient and keratolytic as the ingredients. This is not the final drug. These can be used as a base material in order to neutralize the effects of this styrene as a drug, styrene as a acidic drug. Okay. Applications, this LG polymer products applications are used in electrical, automobile, medical and grocery. So as the problem has arisen, the plant should be kept at a temperature of liquid state 37.8 degrees centigrade, but it was the temperature rise to 5 degrees centigrade, which result in gaseous state and leak of that particular tunnel was damaged, because of which it resulted in all this leakage of hazardous gases. So we need to use a drug, we need to use a base in order to decrease the effects of this particular drug. So medically, the drug that is used for this will be having these two ingredients, emollient and keratolytic are the two ingredients of the drug. So whenever if you have faced any damage of acetic acid, then it should be with base or neutral water. We need to use it. So in this video we discussed about the polymers. Resin is an organic compound which can be used as an alternative to the plastic, so which are known as polymers. Here in LG polymers we use styrene as a resin, which is produced by cracking process, means breaking of large chain hydrocarbons to small chain hydrocarbons. So because as the LG polymers need to be stated in liquid state and it should be converted into solid state, but suddenly because of some internal defects, the temperature was raised to above 25 above, it probably between 20 to 10 degrees, which result in leakage of gases due to the damage of tunnels. So these are the hazardous gases that was leaked. We discussed about them. The results of those gases: H226, H315, H319, H332, H316, H372. So whenever a person faced with this type of health hazardous, so they should be treated well, like they should need to have a fresh air to breathe. They should be kept in a ventilator for oxygen purpose. If they are having a burning sensation, they should be treated with the water as a first aid, or they can be treated with a base soap. Soap can be used as it is a base, as they have breathed the acid gas, so they can be treated with a base. So whenever a person faces an acid, they should be treated with a base or neutral. Neutral in the sense it is water. Base can be of carbon monoxide, as we people use in fire exhaust cylinders. This is a quick view of a page. Thank you guys.